Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. Let's begin. Roblox is a large online platform for games with many user-created experiences covering different genres. The Nintendo Switch is a popular console enjoyed by families and casual gamers because its hybrid design lets you play on a TV or take it on the go. Many wonder if Roblox works on Nintendo Switch. Currently, there is no official Roblox app available on the Switch. Nintendo's eShop does not offer Roblox, and the game supports several platforms, but Switch is not one of them. Some fans are disappointed, and there has been no confirmed news about a Roblox version for Switch. A few years ago, Roblox Corporation's CEO said a Switch version made sense, but no updates have followed. The reasons for this absence may involve policies, technical issues, or business negotiations. Some players try to access Roblox on Switch using unofficial browser methods by changing DNS settings and visiting the Roblox website. However, this is not reliable, may cause poor performance, and can lead to error codes. It is best to wait for an official release. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.